Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those returning, thank you for coming back, and for those visiting for the first time, welcome. As you may know, I have not posted a video in a few weeks. I have been recording some videos, I just have not edited those videos and posted them. I am, so that y'all can be in the loop as far as some of the things that we've been working on. We've been very productive. I'm so thankful for that, because a lot of things that we've been saying for in some cases for years, and we just hadn't taken the time to get those things done. So like I said, I'll get those videos posted. And hey, look, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. As a matter of fact, let me do a little jig while y'all subscribe. Okay, y'all, I hope that there was enough time for you to hit that subscribe button. And while you're doing it, don't forget to hit the bell to be notified. There's three options: one that says all, none, and there's one that says some, I think. Hit the all. It's the vibrating bell symbols on the little vibrating indentations around the bell, and it says all. Hit that so that every time I post a video, you will be notified. Otherwise, you may not get videos until it pops up in your feed, maybe days and weeks later, or maybe none at all. So also hit the like button, y'all. Hit it. If you liked the video, hit like or thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit a thumbs down. And y'all, please talk to me. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear what y'all doing, what kind of things y'all knocking out too. But y'all, come on, let's go and get into the video. What I am getting ready to do today, y'all, is I'm going to set my table. I'm going to do another video where I'm setting my table with my plates, but I bought this spread, this little decorative Christmas spread. So I'm going to put this on the table. Okay, y'all, here we go. They're gonna think this funny right here when I give you a C-section. There ain't even no baby in there. Okay, y'all. So, can I just see you while you talking? Stay right here.
Oh, look at that booty.
Y'all see this? Y'all see this torture I get?
Oh, you on live?
No, not on live.
Okay.
So these little things that hold the sign and so on, y'all don't get anything because you're gonna need your fabric. Just get you some little scissors. Don't take none of that.
They're probably like, why are they anyway?
Video over, y'all. Video is over. She got this makeup on from Kylie Jenner. Okay, y'all, so this is something bad. They always be interrupting me. Yeah, I don't like the runners that are too long. I just don't. I have a gold one. This is a long runner. I feel like it gives too much depth. Too much depth to the side of the table. So this works best for me, and then I like having a somewhat equal amount of space at all the place settings. That is just me. Okay, so y'all, this is the piece. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby as well. I thought it would be so adorable. And it has a tag on the bottom still.
You find it still there?
I'm trying to hurry up. What is this?
You can't carry it up? That's all right.
And y'all, it's not a whole lot of fixing that I need to do to this piece. Even though it has a lot of fall away and glitter, it's a pretty hardy piece actually. I'm actually going to turn this around because what I'm trying to do is see this side is wider than this side. You'll see it's wide and thin. So I'm trying to see which way is best to make the room look the largest. Like which way draws the eye. And I'm thinking that this way may be the better direction. And y'all look at this little piece, the little jewel. Isn't that cute? Let me bring it over here so y'all can see it. Yeah, I'm just making sure the direction I have it, that it's drawing the eye to elongate the room, the table. Believe it or not, those little details do make a difference. And then, for an example, the way I've got these pictures, I'm not done with this wall yet, but the way I have the picture space, it draws the eye. You don't realize your eye's traveling, but it draws the eye and it elongates that wall, so it makes the dining room look a lot larger than what it really is. This dining room is not that huge. It serves a purpose. And I don't know where the decoration came from. Santa Claus just dropped her off one year and she never left, so so that's the story on her. Let's see, let me get this position again. Now, what I am gonna do, y'all, is I actually ordered some Christmas decor, some holiday plates, and it's gonna be a service for 8. I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna do it for 6 here, and then I'm gonna do 2 at the bar, just so I can take some decoration over to our kitchen area. When that comes, which it should be later in the week, I'm gonna come back and share it with you, and y'all can give me feedback on what you think of it. And let's see, what y'all? Candles. So y'all, they're not here yet, but I've got these little candles. You'll see them when they get here. And they mimic wood. They give you a sense of like a wood log. So I'm going to end up going in and putting those around this centerpiece. And y'all just give me a feedback. Let me know what you think. Excuse my little imperfections on my table, y'all. I've got this plan that I purchased for spots and stuff that's on the table. So I've got to call and set up an appointment. So yeah, this is red. I wanted to show you that, and the other items, I will definitely come back to share that with y'all and get y'all's feedback and any suggestions that you have. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so this is going to end the video, y'all. As I said before, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Absolutely free. Don't forget to hit that like button. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. And y'all, please leave a comment. And what are you laughing at? I mean it. People like it, so no. I'm so serious. If you like it, thumbs it up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs it down, y'all. Hey, I'm looking forward to just the participation. And let's see, leave a comment. I'm gonna have to do my exit all over outro again, y'all. See, this is what I go through. Y'all understand now why I have got to find an easier method to videoing and editing, because I have these crazy people at my house. So, okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to outro at this point, and I look forward to hearing from you. Peace. And love you. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. That is how I say I love you. Oh my gosh. That's how I say I love y'all. Y'all, ignore them. I love y'all. What? I love y'all. Talk to you later.